How about a big round of applause for Eddie and Kai? Hey, by the way, sir, did you remember what I told you? Don't forget to stop. You forgot. For every competition, there's always a winner. Eddie, thank you. And congratulations, Kai, you are the winner. Alright. Congratulations for defending your title. Sir, don't be sad. You did a great job today, right folks? Yeah. So we have something for you, but you need to stay right there. Stay. Okay. Stay. Good boy. Okay, sir. Since you step right here and compete against Kai, you tried your best and that's what counts. So we decided to give you a very special reward. So give your hand. Sir, you deserve a big fish. Come on, sir. Don't be shy and take it. Take it good. Then you can eat it now. I'm just kidding, sir. You can give it back to Kai. Just like that. So don't worry. You won't buy, promise. Sir? Over. Guys, we are the proud, the